The layout sheet you see here contains details of construction for a particular job. If I right click and say Zoom Extents and decide that the layout that I'm trying to work with here is not suitable, I can change from portrait to landscape by going into the Layouts Manager, click on paper size and just come back here to landscape. Now if I zoom out a little, I can pick the edge of the floating viewport and just resize it quite easily so that it fits in that space. I could then double click and then just adjust my size if I need to, and I could display any part of the design. Let's imagine that I just want to display the top group of details. I can display that on the layout, and then to even things up, get hold of the floating viewport and just position it on the page in the way you want. So there's a layout on a different size sheet in landscape form, just picking some of the details that go along with this particular project. So the layout space is really quite malleable